Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Heartside Sweet emote in Heartopia. So in this victory riddle movie guide in Heartopia, you can actually get two free emotes. This one. But to unlock them, you need to find and pop the special bubbles hidden on the map. And to get this emote, Heartside Sweet, this one, just go to the in front of Massimo, Save Massimo store, this one, and you will see the bubble, this bubble. So just pop the bubble like this, and then you will automatically get the new emotes, and it will add it to your emotes, menu. This one. And okay, like this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.